Made it down here to Southern California, pick up this Voltex rear diffuser. Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Eric. That was a fun little weekend getaway. Be able to do a little parts run, but now it's time to get back to business. So let's get this thing put on the car. First thing we're gonna do is get the mounting tabs put on the diffuser. We have it all mounted up, so now we just need to do a test fit, mock it up to the car. That looks so sick on there. I do need to do a little bit of trimming on it because my exhaust canister is a little bit too big. Fitment is perfect now, so all I gotta do is use a Sharpie and put some holes where I want to drill into the bumper. So it's the next day. Trimming it took a little bit more time than what I wanted, so here we are. Let's get back into it. It's all bolted up and the fitment is spot on. Now all we got to do is mark our holes where we want these mounting tabs to go, and then we can finish bolting it up. bolted up and secured. It looks so good on there. Makes the rear end look a lot more aggressive. That's going to be a wrap on this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, smash that like button and also subscribe. Till next time.